Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Peace be upon you and the mercy of Allah and His blessings. Greetings, Rahayu, 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 all of creation. In the expanse of Java, where wisdom flourishes eternally, at the foot of the mountain that holds millions of stories, the gateway to knowledge unfolds. Welcome to Padapokan Giri Kusumo. May the light of wisdom always illuminate our steps, rooted in the earth and reaching for noble values. Continue to grow with us at Padapokan Giri Kusumo. A conscious, intelligent, and harmonious greeting. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Kembang Dipan. In ancient Javanese teachings, we will focus on its beauty and the depth of its philosophical meaning, viewing it as a spiritual journey and a quest for harmony. Welcome to our journey this time. Amid the hustle and bustle of modern life, we will delve into a slice of ancient wisdom that remains relevant today. A concept often misunderstood, yet holding profound significance, Kembang Dipan. In ancient Javanese teachings, Kembang Dipan is not merely about a type of illness that cannot be treated with medicine. The word, Kembang, means flower, and Dipan means bed. Literally, it translates to flower on a bed. However, this is a rich metaphor. More than just a physical representation, Kembang Dipan symbolizes beauty, fertility, health, and harmony in domestic life, love, physical and spiritual well-being, as well as a person's fortune in finding or maintaining true happiness. It pertains to the positive aura that radiates, personal attraction, and how we build strong companionship. So, how does ancient Javanese teaching address Kembang Dipan for those who feel they have yet to bloom like a flower? Not with a medicinal prescription, but rather with spiritual treatment and noble ethics. This is a transformative process. It begins with self-discipline or abstinence, fasting, meditation, or cleansing oneself of negative influences. The goal is to enhance positive energy within. Then, there are prayers and mantras recited with conviction, asking for the smoothness of one's destiny or harmony in the household. Don't forget customary rituals such as Slametan or Ruwatan, which serve as a bridge between humans and the universe, cleansing negative energy and aligning oneself with destiny. However, the essence of it all is noble character. Javanese teachings believe that the beauty of Kembang Dipan will wilt if not supported by good behavior. Patience, honesty, respect for others and ancestors, and devotion are the fertilizers that nourish the flower of our lives. The kindness we spread will come back to us as fortune, including in matters of love and family life. Understanding oneself, accepting one's fate, and continually striving to become a better person, that is the true essence of keeping Kembang Dipan flourishing. Thus, Kembang Dipan is not just about an illness stemming from within but also about our spiritual journey towards happiness and harmony. It serves as a reminder that true beauty radiates from within ourselves, from our behavior, and from our sincere efforts to build relationships. May this wisdom from Java inspire us all to cultivate the fragrant flower in our lives. What does Kembang Dipan mean in your life? Have you found Kembang Dipan in your understanding? Please write in the comments below. If you have any questions or suggestions for us, feel free to write in the comments.